They don't have a process of storage. They don't sow, reap, and gather into barns. We're so concerned about having our barns, having enough food for the winter. What do the birds do? They get one worm at a time. They eat one day at a time, and they're not anxious about it. Your heavenly Father feeds them. So where are they getting their food when they ask for their daily bread or work for their daily bread and not for gathering into barns? They get it from their Father. And then comes the clinching premise. You are of more value than they. So if your Father provides for these daily bread seeking birds, will he not much more care for you? That's the argument. Yes, he will.